Always deliver more than expected. This simple principle was a guiding light for Larry Page. He is one of the visionary founders of Google, a company that reshaped our digital world. Many people often wonder about the origins of his immense fortune. How a quiet graduate student transformed into a titan of technology and finance. The answer is not a complex tale of market manipulation or inherited wealth, but a story rooted in childhood curiosity. A powerful idea, a relentless work ethic, and a series of smart decisions that compounded, building a money machine of unprecedented scale. Larry Page grew up in a home saturated with technology in Lansing, Michigan. His father, Carl Page, was a respected professor of computer science. His mother, Gloria Page, taught computer programming. Their house brimmed with computers and scientific magazines. He was drawn to machines. He loved to take things apart to see how they worked. Curiosity pushed him to explore, to question, and to build. He earned a degree in computer engineering at Michigan before heading to Stanford, where the World Wide Web was a chaotic frontier. Stanford was not just a place for academic theories, it was a crucible for collaboration. During a campus tour in 1995, Larry Page met Sergey Brin. Brin, a charismatic mathematics prodigy, an immigrant from Russia. Their initial interactions were argumentative, not conflict, but a productive clash of ideas. Each challenged the other's assumptions with rigor. They began work on Page's dissertation project. They nicknamed it Backrub, a nod to analyzing backlinks to rank pages. Countless hours in cramped rooms, surrounded by cheap hardware, writing the code to bring theory to life. Their goal? Build a search engine that actually worked. Relevant and trustworthy results. As Brin recalled, "We just wanted to make a good search engine. We didn't have a business plan." Their skills complemented each other. Page, quiet, visionary, focused on architecture. Brin, energetic, turning ideas into applications. They refined their algorithm, expanded the system, and published the blueprint, built on PageRank, the secret source. It delivered superior results and word spread. They had something special. With a powerful algorithm and campus buzz, Page and Brin faced a critical decision. The project outgrew Stanford and demanded scale. In 1998, they made the leap, officially incorporating a company, raising early funds from friends and family. Then Andy Bechtolsheim saw a demo and wrote a $100,000 check to Google Inc. They named it Google, a play on Google, one followed by 100 zeros. The mission: organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. They set up in a friend's garage, a humble legend in the making, cramped but buzzing with energy. They bought servers, refined code, and handled surging users. Simple, clean, remarkably effective. From the beginning, Page set a core philosophy: focus on the user and all else will follow. While portals cluttered pages with ads, Google stayed minimal, focused on search. Fast, simple, delivering exactly what users wanted. This user-first focus helped it pull away from competitors. Growth was explosive. By 1999, hundreds of thousands of queries daily. A $25 non-was round from top investors let them hire, scale data centers, and become a serious business. Piece by piece, the money machine was assembled. Having a popular product was one thing, turning it into a profitable business was another. They resisted ads, fearing corruption of results. In 2000, the breakthrough arrived: AdWords. Advertisers bid on keywords. Text ads appeared alongside results, labeled and relevant. Ads matched what users searched for in the moment. Example: search running shoes, get running shoe offers. Useful, not intrusive. Advertisers paid only when users clicked. Efficient and self-sustaining. It fueled global expansion. With ad revenue, Google expanded beyond search. Aggressive innovation and acquisition followed. Products became integral to billions. Each product fed the ecosystem, making Google indispensable, and data refined services further. August 19, 2004. The IPO used a Dutch auction. It raised $1.67 billion, valuation over $23 billion. Paper wealth became tangible as stocks soared. They joined the ranks of the world's wealthiest. Larry Page's wealth was not a single event, but a clear, consistent process. It began with a powerful academic idea that solved a real problem. Nurtured through a dynamic partnership with Sergey Brin, their complementary skills created more than either could alone. They built a product so good it spread by word of mouth, attracting millions, always prioritizing user experience. They discovered a scalable model, AdWords, turning users into massive revenue. They took the company public. The market assigned a massive valuation. As majority shareholders, Page and Brin's wealth rose with the company. Page never rested on his laurels. He pushed for bold innovation. He fostered moonshot thinking and grand-scale ideas. If you're changing the world, you're working on important things. You're excited to get up in the morning. This drive pushed Google, and later Alphabet, into AI, self-driving cars, and life sciences. Eyes always on the horizon. The long-term vision kept the company inventing and growing, expanding its reach, increasing value, and the founder's wealth. His story proves persistence and big thinking matter. He grew rich by pursuing a vision to solve hard problems, not by chasing money. Profound change begins with a simple question and an uncomfortably exciting curiosity.